Hello everyone, we're on step 6 of learning typography by building a nutrition facts label on freeCodeCamp.org. We're going to create an HTML selector and set the font to be 16 pixels. And then step 7, wrap your H1 and P elements in a div element. And we're going to wrap it in, so the opening tag is going to be up there and the closing tag is going to be here. Eight, borders can be used to group and prioritize content. Create a label selector and give it a border set to 2 pixels, solid black. Step 9, good use of white space can bring focus to the important elements of the page and guide your user's eyes. Give your label selector a width property set to 270 pixels. And step 10, give your label selector a margin set to 20 pixels, auto, and a padding set to 7 pixels. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.